Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to give registration numbers in Google Forms. This is useful if you want each respondent to have a unique registration number. You can either assign numbers manually or automate the process. Automation can be done using Google Sheets and form settings. You can also make the question required so respondents cannot skip it. Once your question is ready, go to the Responses tab and click View in Sheets. As you can see, I've already submitted a few responses to this form. Right-click on the column where you want to add the registration number. Then click Insert one column to the left. After inserting the column, type registration number. Press Enter, select the first cell, and go to the formula bar. Paste the exact formula generated from ChatGPT. You can also create your own formula depending on your needs. Press Enter and you'll see the registration numbers added automatically. Using registration numbers helps track participants and manage events. It also prevents duplicate entries and makes data analysis easier. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add registration numbers in Google Forms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.